Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Have you ever considered moving your old 401k savings into a Roth IRA? This powerful financial strategy, often called a rollover or conversion, involves transferring funds from your pre-tax retirement account into an after-tax Roth IRA. It's a way to unlock future tax-free growth on those retirement savings, potentially saving you a lot of money down the road. Understanding this process can significantly impact your financial future. So, why would you want to make this move? The primary benefit is truly tax-free growth and withdrawals in retirement. Once your funds are in a Roth IRA, they grow tax-free, and you won't pay a penny of taxes on qualified withdrawals when you retire. Plus, Roth IRAs uniquely offer no required minimum distributions during your lifetime, giving you more control over your money in later years. This flexibility is a huge advantage for many people. Performing a rollover doesn't have to be complicated. The best approach is nearly always a direct rollover. This means your funds move directly from your old 401k plan administrator to your new Roth IRA account custodian. Simply contact your 401k provider, explain you want to do a direct Roth IRA conversion, and they'll guide you through their specific paperwork. This direct transfer prevents any accidental tax withholdings or penalties that can occur with indirect rollovers, making it a smooth process. While the benefits are clear, there are important things to consider. The biggest one is taxes. When you convert pre-tax 401k funds to a Roth IRA, that money is considered taxable income in the year you convert it. So, plan for that tax liability. Also, remember the Roth IRA 5-year rule. You need to wait 5 years from the conversion date to withdraw converted funds penalty-free. Think about your current income and what makes sense for your tax situation. So, is a Roth conversion the right move for your financial future? It often makes the most sense if you believe your tax bracket will be higher in retirement, or if you simply prefer tax-free income later on. Consider your current income and your long-term retirement vision. This isn't a one-size-fits-all decision. Getting personalized advice from a financial professional can truly help clarify if this powerful strategy is right for you. They can help you make an informed choice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.